In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create simple dashboards in Obsidian, turning your vault into a powerful command center instead of just a folder list. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. And let's get right into it. Start by creating a new dashboard note. Press Ctrl or Command plus N to open a new note, then name it either Dashboard or Home. This note will serve as your central hub, so you can pin it or star it to keep it open whenever you're working. Give the note a clear title at the top by typing a hashtag followed by My Dashboard. Now you'll add your most important navigation links using a quick access section. Use double square brackets around note names like Daily Notes, Projects, Inbox, and Meeting Notes to create clickable wiki links that jump you directly to those notes. Next, add a task section with checkboxes using a dash, a space, and square brackets with a space inside. List your top to-dos here, and you can mark them off as you go. Underneath, create a project section and link your key project notes the same way. Add a shortcut to your daily note. You can link a specific date, like a year, month, day format, or link a daily note if you use a template. Then include an important tags section with a hashtag followed by keywords like work, urgent, and ideas. These tags become clickable and help you filter your vault. Add a simple recent notes section where you manually list your latest notes. If you want a bit of structure, try a simple table with a project and status column. You can add an inbox section for dumping quick ideas. Organize everything with clear headings using double hashtags for each section like tasks, projects, and notes. Every important item should be linked with wiki links to make the dashboard fully interactive. Keep it minimal. Only include items you use frequently to avoid clutter. Add callouts for highlights by using a greater than sign followed by an exclamation point and the word important in square brackets. This creates a colored box you can use to highlight your top 3 tasks. Then add a Today Focus section to list your main daily priorities. Update your dashboard weekly by removing outdated links and adding new projects to keep it relevant. For advanced functionality, consider using the dataview plugin to automatically list tasks and notes, or the Tasks plugin for dynamic to-do lists. Your final dashboard should combine tasks, projects, notes, and inbox, and daily access links all in one view. You now have a simple Obsidian dashboard that acts as your central control panel. Everything important is accessible in one place instead of scattered across folders. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.